Hi friends, Sam here. In this video, I'm taking one frequent question which I get from existing students. Okay, so for example, I do have like Salesforce students, I do have Mulesoft students, I do have Tibco students, I do have like other technology and product students as well. So they ask me this question frequently. Sam, can I get interview questions? Another question I get is, Sam, which all certifications are available in this particular product? And many such questions where I really want to help you all. So what I have created tutorials. Okay, so Samz Mulesoft tutorial, Samz Tibco tutorial, Samz Salesforce tutorial, and so on. And this tutorial is set of free courses. Yes, you heard it right, set of free courses. So for example, if we are talking about Mulesoft, then there will be a course how to clear technical interview of Mulesoft, and you will able to get all the Mulesoft related interview questions over there. Another course in Mulesoft tutorial can be related to certifications and so on. So I have already launched these tutorials and they are ready for enrollment. So right now they are free, but in future I may make them paid as well. So you can take a chance in case if you are getting the enrollment link on this video or maybe in the description somewhere. Just check it out and take a chance if you can enter free over there. Once you enter free, then it will be lifelong free for you, and I am going to include more and more free courses in each of these tutorial. You can very well join multiple tutorials as well. For example, if somebody is interested in Mulesoft as well as Tibco, join both the tutorials, no problem at all. Okay, somebody is interested in Salesforce and Mulesoft, you can join both the tutorials. Somebody is interested in all the tutorials, you can really enroll in all my tutorials. So I request you register today and take advantage. Anytime it can become paid tutorials, so you are getting a lot of value free of cost. So I have given the form link over here for each tutorial separately. Go ahead and fill. Now each form you need to fill separately. Okay, so there is no provision that in one form you will able to enter all the tutorial in which you want to enroll, but for each tutorial separately you have to fill the form. My system is working in that way currently, so go ahead and register for that, and I really want to help you guys. Another thing, I run free video series on Salesforce, Mulesoft, Tibco, where one valuable game changer post, that may be video or other kind of post, I share on WhatsApp to you. I don't bombard your WhatsApp. It is just once in a week. So in case if you want to be part of such free video series, then just go ahead and register for that. So here you will find the registration link for my video series. Go ahead and register for that. In the description also you will get the clickable link. Go to that. And in case if you need any help, so I do one-to-one career consultancy call. If you need my help, you stuck up in your current job, growth is not happening, or you are not getting opportunities in the market, I will create step-by-step roadmap for you. So I'm giving my WhatsApp number over here. Ping me and we can get into the discussion, and that roadmap will be really game changer for you. In 2 months of time you can get into your desired job really. Okay, of course I need to understand your background, and then I need to create the custom roadmap for you. So in case if you want me to create your roadmap, just ping me on the WhatsApp. Okay, so I have given you 3 action points in this video. First one, go ahead and enroll for free tutorials. You will get a lot of value free. Currently it is free, in future it may be paid. So maybe Sam's Mulesoft tutorial, Sam's Salesforce tutorial, Sam's Tibco tutorial, or any kind of tutorial link you find, go ahead and enroll if you are interested in that. First action. Second action I have given is, I have given you a video series registration link. Go ahead and once in a week have the game changer post on your WhatsApp from my side. That is lot of value. You know, many people shared with me, they are getting lot of value from this video series. Third action I gave you, my WhatsApp number is given over here. If you want my help anywhere in your IT career, feel free to ping me on WhatsApp. I'm always around to help. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.